So hello everyone. Today I have my monthly subscription of Bright Beauty Faves by Brandefy. First time receiving it. Brandefy is a company that finds inexpensive products to compare to high-end products that pretty much do the same thing. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what goodies I have in here today. So it looks like first there's a card. Hello gorgeous. We channeled the power of our beauty community, bring you tried and true products from the app. Each item is full-size, cruelty-free, and made with quality ingredients. This box includes your custom picks from some of our current faves. I do remember having choice, but I don't remember which products I actually have in the box. So I'll be surprised with you. So here's all the products that could be in there. It looks like there's a little star next to the products that I actually have. So we have a Milani Gilded Coast eyeshadow palette for $20. Yes to Avocado Fragrance-Free Daily Eye Cream for $10. Pixie On The Glow Moisturizer for $18, and Julep All Natural Charcoal Konjac Exfoliating Sponge for $8. So that would be $56, and I paid $18. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Milani Gilded Coast Eyeshadow Palette. Mix it up with gorgeous gold, sapphires, and taupe, packed with both neutral and vibrant shades. This dreamy combo of 15 velvety mattes, stunning metallics, and shimmers is subtle enough for a Zoom call and glam enough for an evening eye. Runs for $20. Very pretty. I love the shimmer. I love the sparkle in that. I have quite a few palettes, so I don't think I'll be getting any use out of it, either a gift or a giveaway. But it does compare to the Pat McGrath, which is $125. So 20 versus 125, pretty good dupe. Comes with a mirror. Very nice. Someone should be pleased to receive that. So let's try the next one. So the next one is the Julep All Natural Charcoal Konjac Exfoliating Sponge for $8. A super gentle exfoliator made from all natural konjac root and bamboo charcoal powder. Use daily to unveil a smooth canvas for makeup and improve the efficacy of your skincare products. Replace every 1 to 2 months. The sponge will arrive damp. And yes, it does feel damp. Love the fact that it hangs in the shower. Excited to try this. It is a dupe for a product called BOSCIA Boscia, which is $15. So it's a pretty good deal. Okay, Pixie On The Glow for $8. This is a moisturizer. It hydrates your face, lips, and body on the go when your skin is feeling dull with this travel-friendly solid moisturizer. It contains vitamin D2 to help protect your skin against damage, ginseng to revitalize and balance your complexion, and glycolic acid to renew and moisturize. This costs $18. It's actually a dupe for a Kora, K-O-R-A Organics, which is a $22 product. So that one's pretty close. So it looks pink in color. Let's feel that and see how that feels. Feels very nice. Feels like it has something like a Vaseline in there. Very moisturizing, very nice. Not sure why it's coming on the shape of a deodorant, pop-up deodorant stick like that, but very nice. And it's got the vitamin D, glycolic acid, and I'm having a hard time seeing the other one, to moisturize. Okay, so let's go to the Yes to Avocado Fragrance-Free Daily Eye Cream. Okay, so this one is $10, and it is formulated with skin-pumping hyaluronic acid. The rich cream hydrates dull skin around your eyes and helps smooth fine wrinkles. The combination of jojoba, coconut, sweet almond, and avocado oil leaves the under eye feeling moisturized, nourished, and soothed. So you just pat a little bit under your eye. This one is a dupe for the Kiehl's Eye Cream, which goes for $50, Kiehls. So that's very nice. $40 difference there. So here's all the products that I have received. And again, if you're not familiar with the Brandefy, you can download the app or go to the website. And this is what they do. They compare the expensive products like this Milani Gilded Coast eyeshadow palette for $20, which is comparable to the Pat McGrath for $125. So that's a great deal. And then the Yes to Avocado, it compares to the Kiehl's Eye Cream for $50. And that's what Brandefy is all about. And you can go to their website and see the difference in the products and what products you should buy without they wouldn't have to spend as much money. So the Pixie On The Go moisturizer is $18, and it compares to the Cora Organics for $22. So that one's pretty close in price. And then that charcoal sponge, the Julep Sponge for $8 compares to the Boscia for $15. So this box is worth $56, and I paid $18. But if you were to buy the higher end products, which these are the same value, it's $212. So, what do you think? Would you be interested in the Brandefy Bright Beauty Faves? I'll put the link below if anyone's interested in going to the website and checking it out. And I will see you in my next video.